To be a professor in forensic and environmental science is actually fairly unusual. I've been working in forensic fibre analysis or trace evidence analysis for 15 years, but in the last 5 years I have started to sort of bring together the knowledge, the research around forensic fibres and bring it to microplastic research. For me to become a professor, first of all, it's just been incredible. To get my position is kind of acknowledgement of that all of this has kind of come together, all of these networks, these collaborations, these projects, and then the support from the university for me to be able to complete those has led me to where I am now. I aim to develop and enhance our research group here at Staff. So we've got a forensic fibre microplastic research group. It's multidisciplinary. My aim is to develop that even further, expand that, and to bring in more disciplines so we're able to answer more questions. The main aim of our research group is around trying to solve some really big problems. It's about developing technological solutions in order to be able to gather large amounts of data. I absolutely believe that our undergraduate, our postgraduate students can be a massive source of not just help but contribution to our research projects. Something that is rather unusual but I try to push as much as possible is getting students involved in sort of casework. It's quite unusual because casework samples have got to be handled in a very particular way. If these ultimately were to go to court, you've got to make sure that their integrity and everything that's happened to them is absolutely, appropriate. Recently, this is me and two of my postgrads and my PhD students, worked with the Rosalia project out in the US and took scientific samples from on board the American Promise, which is a beautiful sailing yacht, and we mapped out the entire Hudson River, all 300 miles of it, for microplastics. What was a 4-week expedition? I learned so much. I know that my PhD students learned so much, and we learned what is it like to take all the techniques that we've been developing here and actually put them into practice on a sailboat.